Right guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at PU Prime versus Oanda. This was a very popular comment in our previous videos. So today we're going to be going through the features and everything that you will get and which one will come up top. Let me know in the comments your opinion before we jump into this. Now before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, up first is our favorite PU Prime. Okay, so PU Prime, they say at the very top, trade with a trusted and regulated world-leading broker that offers more than just trading. They've got over 300,000 active clients, 1,000 trading products, multiple regulatory licenses, 24/7 customer support using that little icon in the corner, or they do have an email address, and over 200 countries serviced. Okay, now this is a very popular thing. Follow and copy master traders. Okay, so they have a lovely little app that you can use, download it. And then as you can see on this image on the left, you can simply go in and copy some of the professional traders. Now, obviously this is a preview, but this is exactly how it looks. So for example, John Smith returned 120%. He has 300 people copying him. All you have to do is simply go in, click the person you want to copy, link your account, and you're done. Nice and simple, nice and easy. Okay, so it's trusted by traders across the globe. They've obviously got multiple different reviews on different platforms. You've got the likes of Google, Trustpilot, App Store, and Google Play. Now, this is what we like to look at when trying to decide on a broker. Spreads are very important, okay? So with spreads, this means that if you enter in a trade, it will send you that place higher or lower depending on a buy or a sell. So for example, if we were to go into gold, your spread would be 0.0 to 0.3. So that basically means where you're buying will be where you're buying. It's not the likes of 10 spreads higher or 20 spreads higher that we see in some other brokers. Now, obviously, some of the big ones as well is Euro USD, probably the most liquidated Forex pair in the industry, and having that at 0.7, less than 1 pip, is also very, very exciting to have. Now, what we can also see is you've got global markets at your fingertips. They have multiple different options. You've got WebTrader if you're on a PC, MetaTrader 5 or 4, PC or mobile, and they also have that PU Prime app as well. So plenty of options for everyone. Okay, so as we go down, we can see that not only do they offer a broker with such tight spreads, they have market insights, webinar, and also an academy as well. So you really can learn and earn at the same time using that copy trading feature and learn with their academy. Okay, so finally, what they also do is they have multiple different options for you to fund your account. You can do bank transfers, Skrill, Nutella, MasterCard, Visa, or even Apple Pay. So they offer multiple global payment offers. So you can get a live account or a demo account as always. And if we were to click on the PU Prime Academy, just to give you a little bit of an insight, they've got trading knowledge for beginners, intermediate, and also advanced, and then why trade, and then they've got trade ideas, plus all of their latest news updates and everything like that. But let's take a look at Oanda. This is Oanda, smarter trading is their slogan. Okay, so it's a broker you can trust. For over 25 years, the Oanda Group has built an outstanding reputation for innovation. Fast and safe withdrawals and deposits, trade directly with TradingView. Peace of mind, the Oanda Group is regulated in 8 jurisdictions. They also offer multiple different financial markets. You can global CFDs, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptos, and shares. Choose from spread only or core spread plus commission accounts. They've also got super fast execution on the go and also trade directly with TradingView. Okay, now let's take a look at the spreads and compare them to the ones that we saw on PU Prime. Okay, so the ones we did look at was EUR USD, which is obviously that biggest Forex market. They have a spread of 1.3, so that's slightly higher. However, that's you won't notice much of a difference. The other one we did was gold. Now, if you look at gold, this is what I was telling you when we was going through PU Prime. Their spread is 27. Now, if you can imagine what that means is their spread's 27. PU Prime was 0.0 to 0.3. If you're with Oanda and I'm with PU Prime and we both take a buy, you're going to be 27 pips higher than my entry, which obviously means I'm going to be in profit a lot quicker because you're going to be automatically in drawdown. So both of us with the TP, I would earn more money. Now, as we go down, they obviously do the create account and a demo account as well. And they do offer multiple different bank transfers, Wise, Visa, MasterCard, so many different payment options, the same as PU Prime. Now, you can also take advantage of MetaTrader. So they do offer MetaTrader, which you can download on App Store or Google Play. That's the built-in TradingView chart. Oanda also offer multiple different platform tools. You've got your technical analysis, premium MetaTrader tools, and MetaTrader 5 comes with inbuilt signal alerts using the latest NLP technology and copy trading. There we have it, guys. We compared PU Prime with Oanda. Now, that was a very close battle, I think. They both have multiple different publications doing reviews on them, multiple different payment options, and also highly regulated in multiple different countries. However, as a trader myself, the spreads are very important. Personally, PU Prime takes it because the spreads are just unmatched. They're unbeatable in the market, and you need that because you want to be in that trade exactly where you saw the trade. So for me, PU Prime comes out on top. Let me know down in the comments your opinion, whether you think it was PU Prime or Oanda, and also let me know on any brokers you want me to compare in the future. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.